Today I'm going to review Amazon's new wearable Echo device, Echo Frames. So stay tuned. All right, let's get right into the unboxing. Got your Prime box. Got to grab a box cutter, get into this sucker. Nice colorful box. Carefully wrapped so it survives the trip from China. It's got a nice quality box there, probably plastic, sealed. And there it is in all its glory, the Amazon Frame device. Smart speaker that you can talk to Alexa on. Seems kind of cheaply made. I'm sure that they will, yeah, kind of flimsy. I'm sure they will come out with new styles should this take off and be popular. So we got a nicely wrapped instructions. Of course, it's got a phone app and charger. And I expect these will be just came out in December. I remember actually pre-ordered these before they came out, December 2020. And basically you got your charger. Standard USB charger. And it comes with a polishing cloth. I got these, they come with the standard clear frames, and I will probably get these fitted for reading frames. And supposedly you can take these to any place where you get eyeglasses, pretty much, or there may be only a couple, but you take them to you know, your eyeglass store, your optician. I think. Optician? No, yeah, I'm thinking of the pregnant lady one. Interesting cable. The cable attaches, it's got a magnetic attachment, which is good because it that will reduce wear, which I've had a problem with USB port wear on other devices, specifically phones, which now have wireless charging. But this one is just a magnetic contact that attaches to the frames. And of course, you got the Murphy's Law of USB. It always goes in the wrong way the first time. And you can see it look like pretty much like normal glasses, except they got kind of a thick, the handles on the side are kind of thick because they've got that built-in speaker. But it's a very slim charger port there. Setup, pretty easy. You go into the Alexa app on your phone.
Let's get started. Follow the instructions in the Alexa app.
Once you have her charged up, and you can select devices, the devices icon at the bottom. And you click the plus to add a new device. And you're going to add an Echo and Alexa device. Echo frames are found. You're going to continue. And in order for this to work, you have to actually have it running on your phone. The frames connect to your phone, and that's how they work. You don't actually hook the, it's not a direct access. It has to be connected with your phone. And it actually gives you a little tutorial on how to use the Echo frames for phone calls and notifications. Tells you what the buttons are. Got auto off, you just turn it upside down. And there's several videos you can go to for instructions. Okay, well, here we go. Alexa, play Running a Fever podcast.
Playing Running a Fever from Amazon Music. Resuming episode 252, COVID's effect on life expectancy.
Running a Fever, episode 252, Living to 100, 2021. COVID's effect on life expectancy. Alexa, stop.